YouTube? Working on old Clifford here. The big red whopper. Old Clifford AC don't work. So look, messing around with this thing yesterday. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Wires are connected. I got nothing when I turn it on. All these KWs are always dusty in here like this. I just blow all that shit out. I didn't do it yesterday. I meant the other day though, but say it was smelling smoke. So let's see what it smells like. Don't smell like no smoke. Don't smell like smoke in there, but that's what it be smelling in there. Something. Can't fit through there. All right. We'll walk around here. These things go bad. They're like $500, I think. Last one I replaced it was. Alright. Probably shouldn't be showing y'all doing that stuff. It's not the right way. All right. Where are we at here? Left side is up like that. Looking for AC clutch. Nope. Don't see one for HVAC motor. Right there. Oh, somewhere on there. No, they have a relay also, but clutch relay there. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. blown fuse there. Focus. Focus. That's what the rock say. Focus. Blown fuse. So, those of you know, fuses don't. Those of you know, fuses don't blow for just any old reason, and those of you don't know, fuses don't blow for any old reason. So, it's the reason why it blew. Yeah, I'm always leaving stuff. Reason why it blew, gotta go figure it out. But at the same time, I don't have any fuses. I do have some. We just want to start a fuse. Should be another 30 amp here. Mirror heat. That's a breaker there. That 30 amp breaker there. I'll put that in there. Huh, what was that? Look here. All right. So we got action. So why did it blow? We don't know. Put a breaker in there so you don't keep burning up the fuse. It's blowing. Let's look and see if it was shorted out or anything. Blowing some air. Watch those fingers. Any open wires or nothing in here. I guess it probably could have been bad fuse. Let's sit here and let it run for a little bit though. See what it does. drive it around and see. Run over some bumps. Everybody hates that call when you just finished working on something. Then, yeah, it ain't working. All I did was charge it up. All I did was charge it up. I gotta find out what might have been smoked. Sometimes kind of wish you did drop something, and that might have been it. I don't know. Started up in the seat. Take this thing with us. I don't need no catastrophic failures. Alright, we'll start it up. See what's smoking. See what's smoking. Look at that lawn. Look at that fresh cut lawn there. Or the clutch might have burnt up, because I think the AC is on. No, it's not. On. Bam. Got a code. Clutch is locked up. The clutch is locked up, so that ain't it. about to get the fuck away from it for grenades or some shit like that. So, need an AC compressor. It's gonna be about $300. Might have to be like an old truck. Ride with no AC. Old trucks, they ain't had no AC. You can't ride with no AC. They did it. Nah. Gotta have the AC. So, I'm gonna get a new compressor. What gave it away was, I saw all this black stuff right there. Gotta be looking, boys. Gotta be looking. Whatever it is, it's gonna tell on itself. Cut this shit off. Somebody else had this product or someone else doing. I didn't do that. By the way, got some videos. You need steel toes. And I don't have mine on. Anyway. New service truck behind me. Went all the way to Colorado to get it. Got it. And we working. So I got some videos. Ain't a whole lot, nothing special, too spectacular, but got a couple little bit of videos. Was riding. Put 1,600 miles on it. Bam! Trying to wash it. Made a promise. I ain't gonna let it get like the other one. So, I gotta keep it clean. Which I want to, man. Brand new truck. I feel a whole lot better about it. You know. Y'all hear more about it. F450. 4-wheel drive, 6.0 in it, you know. Got everything. Need to secure my tanks a little better, but got shit. I got stuff spread out because I got so much room. Man, I feel so much better about it. Want to drive it. Got to get them shocks. That shit keep happening. We can't have that. We got clear coat now, boys. We can clean this thing. Look at that. See that shine there? We got clear coat. Old 88 didn't have a clear coat. Anyway, I'm gonna make it short. Because we can't get that part today, so maybe we can get it in the morning. Maybe we'll send one of the ladies to go get it. Maybe we'll send my dad. Nope. His birthday is tomorrow. He's not going to be parts running tomorrow. We'll find somebody to get this thing. And what we'll do is we'll get a compressor. On the other side over there is the receiver dryer. We'll get that. And we'll probably... I used to have a flush tool. I don't think I have it. Either way, I'll get one, but flush these lines out of the way that thing sounds like it may be some metal or something going on in there. So if you pull these lines off, you got metal in there, then we're gonna be flushing the lines out. And replace your expansion valve also. So expansion valve, compressor, and receiver dryer. And I know sometimes when people take their shit to the shop and you guys recommend that stuff and you know they're like, oh my gosh, there's so much money and all this, but at the same time you vacuum that shit down, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, however long you like doing it, get that moisture out, Make sure you ain't got no leaks. You're well worth it. They'll be happy with you once they feel how cold that shit is. If you run their ass up out of the cab, I guarantee you they won't have a problem coming back to you and spending that money. When I get them, that's all. If the compressor goes bad, everything, and I'm cleaning the system out. And then, so a lot of people, this is the cab air filter. Need to clean that, take it off, replace it, do whatever with it. Sucks in the air through here. Oh, look at that, it's got a hole right there. Need to fix that. But filters the air in the cab, basically. All that shit gets dirty. And them KWs, they're famous for that. This thing didn't come with it. Fucking idiots. So what you do is you put one on and then you clean the evaporator out. And it's been times where I've taken it out and hosed it out. I actually took that one out and when we first got the truck, power washed it and sprayed some smell good stuff in there and put it back together. It was good till this year. Didn't use it all winter. Now this bullshit's happening. So get everything going. New compressor, new receiver, dryer, new expansion valve. Clean the evaporator out if it's dirty. Ours is already clean. And I guarantee you will run their ass up out of the cab. You know, if it tells you put 2.4 ounces in it, you know, on these older systems, you know, out here you're going to lose something when you disconnect. And you put a little smidgen more, you know. I don't really sometimes go by the pounds. I get it close. I got my scale. I get it close to the pounds. And then, you know, I look at those pressures. When that fan starts to come on, you know, and it gets around, you know, these, I like it around 40, around 40 on the low, 40, 45 on the low, 200, 250 on the high. I just replaced these two. Should have took that off. Both sides. $700 for 2 drag links. Anyway, I'm done. Ain't nothing I can do today. I'm gonna let y'all go and hope y'all enjoy the video of me diagnosing. Not really diagnosing, but you know, I guess. And well, actually, I didn't even tell you. So what probably blew the fuse was the clutch. Notice all that is tied together. So the HVAC system, if you don't have any power to it, it's not gonna work at all. Nothing's gonna work. So the clutch probably got stuck, drew too much amperage, blew the fuse. Now we gave it a couple days, it's working. But that's what it was. No big deal. Truck's okay. You can go to work tomorrow. It should be good freewheeling, spinning. Anyway, let y'all go. We out. See y'all later.